Hello everyone, welcome to Feel Special with NCF. We have Phoebe here with us. Hi Phoebe, how are you? Okay, welcome to Feel Special with NCF. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Phoebe Rani Chako. I'm the eldest child in my family. I have one brother and a sister, and my parents are from Kerala. They are involved in ministry. They have been in ministry from last 20 years. And what else? I'm basically from Kerala, but then I was born and brought up in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. I studied my schooling. I had my schooling mainly in Ujjain, and after that I came here. I have finished my 6 years now. I'm graduating this weekend. That's basically it.
Can we know your hobbies?
My hobbies, I love reading novels, and I like making things. I like making my own things, and I love designing posters and everything.
Okay, can we know how did you came to Crimea?
We had been looking for colleges. I was writing many entrance exams. I got into some, but then we could not afford to pay the donation. So we got to know about going abroad and studying through one of my dad's friends. So after that, we just applied and I got. I was supposed to go to Lugansk. I believe it was all God's plan, and I believe He still has something. That is the reason He brought me here. I always wanted to do engineering, but then it was my dad's idea, and then I believe it is God's plan.
And you are from first year till this 6 years you are in NCF and you became the pastor. So Pastor Dr. Phoebe, can you say about NCF?
No words can express what I feel for NCF, because NCF is a family, as the name suggests. People love each other. We are learning together, and we are learning to accept each other with the flaws we have. So basically, it's the best place to be. It's the best family. It's the greatest blessing I have ever received in my life.
Okay, Pastor Dr. Phoebe, I got some questions from our NCF members. So can I ask?
Sure.
Okay, Phoebe, we want to know from first year to till 6th year, which teacher you really like?
Everyone's favorite, it's Olga ma'am. So she's much more than a teacher, and she's really, really wonderful. I don't know, as a person, she's just perfect. So she is, of course, my favorite.
And which subject you like?
So, as someone said that your interest in any subject is directly proportional to how much you like the teacher. So according to that, I love anatomy because my teacher was really good. She used to teach very, very well. And microbiology, in MCI coaching, the sir, Dr. Vikas, was a really interesting teacher, and because of that, I started loving microbiology.
What is life in Crimea taught you the most except studies?
I came to know, I learned that there are many, many different kind of people in this world with different characters, different personalities, different behavior, a lot of different kinds. Some we might love, some we might not really like. And before I used to think that they are there, I don't need to care about that. But now I have learned that if possible, I should be able to influence everyone in a positive way. If I'm not leaving an impact in everyone's life, then I'm not really doing anything. And I have also learned that there is a purpose for my life, and I must find that, and I must live accordingly. Life is not just to be lived just as it comes. It's supposed to be lived properly.
Okay, next question. who has been the most inspiring person you have ever met in this field?
In Crimea, it would be Evelyn. Um, she is a very tiny person, uh, but she's a bomb. She can do a lot of things, and she has learned to, at such a young age, she has learned to do a lot of things, and she has influenced people in ways we cannot imagine. So she is the most inspiring person I have ever seen.
Phoebe, are you ready for next round?
Yeah.
First thought that comes into your mind when you hear this word, okay? And be spontaneous. Hero,
Dad.
color,
Purple.
sweet,
Gulab jamun.
best friend,
Lassi.
holiday,
Paris.
travel,
Travel the world.
enemy.
Enemy? I don't know.
Okay, Phoebe, rhyme this following words, okay? Faster,
Faster? Doctor? I don't know. Faster? Faster.
okay. Price,
Grace.
money,
Honey. Sorry. Honey.
clever,
Liver.
Okay, Phoebe, here are few videos sent by few important people for you. So please, can you watch it?
Hello, Dr. Phoebe. I want to wish you congratulations for the successful completion of medical school and to let you know that this is the beginning of greater things for you. Once again, congratulations. I love you.
Hello, Phoebe. How are you today? It's been a pleasure knowing you over the years, and I just want to say big congratulations on becoming a doctor. I thank God for you, and I thank God for the future, because I want to believe that the best is yet to come. Do have a fabulous celebration, because you deserve it, and I'm sending you all of my love.
Hi Phoebe, long time no see. So this is a wonderful time to communicate and to convey my best wishes to you on the wonderful and the auspicious occasion of your graduation. I still remember my graduation. I had a wonderful time back then, and it's like the best thing that has ever happened to me in my life. So I'd like to wish you all the best for your future, and I'd like to congratulate you for your graduation and for completing 6 long years of medical education. And I'm here to basically wish you and ask you a question. What is the most fondest memory of you with me? So if you remember any kind of a memory that we had together.
Thank you, Victor Arnab, for the video. It's really amazing to hear from you after such a long time. And the fondest memory I ever had with you was when I was in my first year, you were in your third year, and the times when we used to sit in the kitchen and talk for hours. So that is the fondest memory I ever had with you. Thank you so much, Emmanuel Anna, Pastor Ify, Pastor family. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you for taking time to do this. And thank you all the NCF members. Thank you for all the love that you have been showing for me. And I'm going to miss you guys a lot. Thank you, Benny and team, for coming up with such a wonderful theme. Thanks to everything.